Alright guys, good day guys. Welcome to Codes Connect. And today we'll be picking up from where we left off with our Who Wants to Be a Millionaire project, right? So it's the third video for the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire project. And we are still in step 3. Yep. Yeah. We'll be designing the second interface of our Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, like how is going to look like and all that. Okay, so we appreciate those that subscribe to our channel, those that liked our videos. Oops, having network errors. Let me see. Right, let's hopefully hope network is not that bad. It's network. All right. Okay, so today we'll be doing a little bit of coding, just a little bit of coding, and for you to get to see how the program is going to work like. All right, so what we are going to add now is more of design. Yeah, we're going to do more design. So what I want you to do is go to your toolbox, right here, drag everything in here. Okay, now I want you to set the button to whatever size you want, but I'm setting mine like this. Okay, right, like this. All right, so I think this is okay for me. I'll make it like this. Okay, now go to the property and set some of the properties of the button. So I'm going to my tester line, I'm going to move it to center, middle left. Alright, middle left I think is okay like that. Then my font color, my font color, I'm going to take, let's see, my design is all about blue, so I don't want my colors to be too much, so I'm going to take, let's say, midnight blue. Alright, I think that's fine by me. Then my fonts, I'm going to change some things about my font size, font style, and all that. Alright, so I'll take Times New Roman. Okay, then I'll make it 12 the size. Alright, I think that is good. Then my flat style, I'll make it completely flat. Then this drop down, this little area, I'll make it a drop down arrow. I'll increase from the flat appearance, I'll increase my border size to 2. Then my border color, let's see this. Yeah, okay, you can see the border color is going to be somewhere around there. Alright, so what I'll do, I'm going to duplicate this scheme now. I'll copy and I'll paste. Right, yeah, I think I'll make it like that. Then I'll paste again. I need 4 options, right? I'm gonna need 4 options, then I'll paste again. Okay, alright, there you go, 4 options. Alright, so next thing I want you guys to do is rename. What I'm going to do now, actually, I'm going to rename my buttons so that I can easily use them. Right, I think I already renamed my label while I was working with it. Then you guys know that I already renamed my label. Right, so you can do whatever you want to do with the property, set it. Right, it's okay, it's your project, do whatever you want to do, but please just stay on so that you get to understand the code and how it's going to work like. Alright, okay, so my button 5, I'm going to name this button to BTN help 1. BTN help 1. I'll name this button my BTN help 2. I'll name this button my BTN help 3. And I guess you already know the last one, BTN help 4. Yeah, you guess right. Okay, and that is nice. BTN help 4. Okay, cool. Now I've done this. For next, I'm going to remove this text inside my buttons. I really don't need them, because what I actually want to work with, I will be putting text inside the button, so I don't really need the text inside my button right now. So I'll remove that text. Right, there you go. Remove this next one. Remove this one here. Remove this one also. And I also remove this one. Okay, so I remove this. Right, there you go. Now what I want to do, I want you to see how the coding is going to be like. Alright, like how the program is supposed to run. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to like make this program run, and the question will come out. Then my answers will be at my options for the answer rather will be at these 4 buttons here, like this. Okay, Yeah, let's try that. So let's see if my network is up. Alright, good. My network is up now to my channel. Alright, okay. Let's go back. Okay, so you can see. So what I want to do now, like anytime I run this program, like I run it now, what I want the question to display this my LBL question, then the options to show up in this button, so that's for the player to click, alright, something like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on my phone. Okay, so anytime the form loads, this question should come up. So I'll write LBL question because that is where my question is supposed to come up, the question of test. Alright, so remember, whatever you put inside double quotes in VB, it comes out the way you placed inside. If you write A inside, it comes out like, if you write anything you write, it just comes out like that. Okay, so let's say my question will be let's see, what is the capital of Nigeria? Alright, I think that's okay. Okay, I'll take this one like this. What is the capital of Nigeria? Then this question will come up in my LBL question. Now how about my buttons? So I want them to also pick up options. Alright, so BTN help 1 dot test, you pick up the first option. I think the first option should be let's say let me use Accra. Alright, that is my first option. Then my second option, BTN help 2 dot test, should be equal to, what will be, let me put Abuja. Okay, alright, something like that. Then my BTN help 3 dot test should be equals to Cairo. Then my BTN help 4 the test should be equals to, let me just use Texas. Alright, something like this. Alright, so when I run this program, my question will display in my LBL question here, this label here. Then my options will display in the test from BTN help 1 down to BTN help 4. That is BTN help 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's have it like this. See? Program. Okay, yes, it worked fine. See, what is the capital of Nigeria? We have Accra, so first option, Abuja second option, Cairo third option, then Texas as our fourth option. Alright, now that has been done. Let me play that again. Let me run that stuff again. Right now, this has been done already and it works fine. But what if somebody clicked on the right one? Something should happen. You agree with me? Alright, so that's what we are going to do next. And so we're just going to write a piece of code for that. So like what we are trying to do is like how the program work, like please don't get it confused. So that's what we are going to, that is what we'll be doing now. So go to the code view. Now I want you to create a public, declare a public variable. Alright, now so that each of the button will be able to access that public variable. Right, so I will be dim answer, let's say ans as string is equal. So now we're going to use the right answer, Abuja. Okay, Abuja, something like this. Yeah, because Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. Okay, so that is our correct answer. So all we do is to click on the first button, go to the design, to click on the first button, they write an if statement to check if the text inside that button, the button help 1 is Abuja. Now if BTN help 1 dot test is equals to answer, answer, then something should happen. The message box should show, correct. Yeah, let's leave it at this. Let's keep it simple. It's gonna get complicated a little bit later, but I just want you guys to follow up with the simplicity of the first part so you get to understand how the code works like. Alright, so let's say the message box should correct like this. So it will be ans. We already did Abuja, as in we already created a variable called ans and saved the correct answer inside. So whenever this program runs, once you click on this button, it checks if what is the text inside this button is equal to what is inside the hands. Alright, so if it is equal to it, then it gives you this message was all correct. Right, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this code like this, copy the code, and I'll paste it on this other button, like, right. So this is my button help 2 button. Now remember to change it from help 1 to help 2. Alright, don't forget that. Then I'll double click on button help 3. Remember to change this from btn help 1 to help to the 1 to 3, so that it will be, the code will be effective here. Then btn help 4. Alright, so remember to change this to 4 also. Alright, so it's time to test our code and see if anything is gonna happen. Alright, so run the program now. Okay, what is the capital of Nigeria? The correct answer is Abuja. Now we see that once we click on Abuja, a message box should come on saying correct. Alright, so let's see if it works fine. Alright, it works fine, correct. But what happens if we click on the wrong one? Nothing, because we actually coded nothing for them. Right, so Abuja, correct answer. So now that I have shown correct answer, what about the score? Maybe a score or the money the person has won come up or something like that. Okay, so like I said, it's still the second phase of our design. Alright, so the third phase of the design will be adding that feature where the money or the score of being the user actually increase once the person gets the correct answer. Okay, so that is it for now. Then we also get to work with this our button that will include putting up the timer, our helpline. Yeah, our helpline here. We get include putting up the timer. Like, it's a very big project and we're just getting started with it. So please don't forget to make your comments on the video, subscribe to the channel, like our videos, drop your comments. We really appreciate your comments. Whatever is on your mind, say it, to come up and tackle it. Alright, yeah, there's something I wanted to show you from our YouTube channel also. Right, as you can see, our YouTube channel, we added a new stuff to it. It's about Android tutorials. Right, so whatever is this our channel now, we also have Android tutorials for you guys, so you get to know things, talks about Android, how you can handle your Android phone, change your IMEI, route your phones, and so much more other stuff. Alright, they are coming into place, so we just want you to keep checking up on the channel for regular updates and you won't be disappointed. Alright, so thank you guys for your time. So we'll be seeing you guys in the next video that I'll be uploading about our Millionaire project. Alright, so thank you very much. See you guys later. Okay.